Hey YouTube, it's Airsoft coming at you with a TDM game here. We're spawning at the boat room. So yeah, prepare yourselves. We are shooting. America, do it for Trump. You have a good one, Yellow.
Where are we going? This way?
Yeah, take the rocket. They want the windows to lock.
I'm contemplating shooting your face. Open that up for me, that mask boy. I'm gonna show you where your teeth can go. No, we don't shoot men in the dick here.
It says the one who got shot in the dick.
Yeah, because those people are asshats.
Why would you wear a hat there?
I don't
My
know.
uncle got shot with a paintball right there.
Yeah, that hurts.
You see, the cool thing with this,
What kind of M4 is that? Because like everyone has every kind of like M4, but what kind is it?
M4
One, it's a nut protector. Two, it's
Who made it?
easy to drop straight down.
what, the dump pouch?
Yes.
Personally, I would put a grip on it or something, like back a little bit or something, so you can also have the back part in the grip. And for the flashlight, is that a flashlight?
No, it's a laser.
For the laser, I'd
the
move it to the
scope?
side or on the like somewhere on there.
Yeah, I can't get it off.
9 times in my other
Oh,
rifle
okay.
I use here. It's amazing. I get headshots from towers.
Just an FYI, so you have like the most real estate for like
With an SR7.
equipment and whatnot.
Right?
Is that a V-lighter or something or a light?
Where?
Right here, this back strip.
No, that's not a
People
light.
say it's
No, I
overkill.
didn't
I got a V-light red one for Millstone.
Do you go to Milsom?
Huh?
Do you go to Milsom?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I'm
Me
still
neither.
trying to get some more gear. I need a uniform. That'll be good to go.
I'm practically kitted up, except I don't have
Yeah,
my
you're
backpack.
good.
Yeah, I don't have my backpack.
Oh yeah, you need a backpack and a
Camel
water thing. Yeah.
It came with it. It was like $40. Condor hydration system too.
I got a Condor bag right here. They're really
Yeah,
good.
it's the same freaking thing.
They're really good.
Except mine came with a camelback. I guess you got crapped down on the deal. Boop said go. We go now. Damn, I like tripped up. These combat boots are like heavy as hell, so it's like shit. Whoa! Dude, that ricochet was mad crazy. Move up!
Holy crap, dude, that rattled my brain.
Dude, that ricochet came right at me.
Guys, come here, I'll be right back.
He's on the ramp.
Cover a 6.
He's on the ramp.
Yeah. I saw him.
I can't move him, Pit. He's gonna start shooting at me the second I walk out.
Let's move up. We got pinned that side. Unpin us.
Spencer, he's on the ramp.
Watch the green. Watch the green.
Yeah, ramp.
We got clusterfuck quick.
Alright, let's try going around. Through the
Can you cover us?
Cover you from what angle?
We're just gonna move around this
We're
wall.
gonna move
right
around
here.
this wall. Yeah. That was not hard.
Thank you.
Quick.
And build that wall.
Yeah. Right next. Build that wall. Fuck yeah, we are. Come in there. Go.
Got anything? We got a friendly right here, so just watch your fire.
Watch fire, yeah. Keep moving. This this hallway is too much. Contact. Left side. Down the hallway. Not friendly. Move. Friendly. We can't get a shot. Yes. Contact.
Up top, tower.
Tower?
Yeah.
Contact outside. They're gonna fly.
There's one behind.
Yeah, can you get that?
Nah, he's gonna start shooting that way. Heading to the tower. There was an attempt.
Nope. It's not.
I think we're trying to get around that.
Yeah, come on, let's go. Let's get out of here before the
I'm gonna
fucking-
try and get him.
Hey, we need
Spencer, watch
guys,
that.
we need fire support on the back.
We need support like right now, right left.
We're gonna get fucked if we don't. Cover the angles, cover
Hey,
all
there's two
angles.
enemies in the
Cover
tower.
that position, make down over here, make sure no one gets in.
We got 2 guys in the tower now.
Yeah, I see him.
And we got that guy down there.
Hit? How the hell did you hit me? Hit?
That doesn't count your 2
Wait. Dead man, should I, what? Did I get hit? I'm just gonna call it dead man walking. I don't even know how the hell I got shot. Dead man. Dude, how did I get shot? I got, the guy shot me through the netting and like dinged my plate carrier. I'm like, what? Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. That's so stupid. I don't know where I got hit from. You're on YouTube right now.
I know.
The internet will be watching you forever.
The internet. And how
The interwebs.
Yes, I will go to buildings. I don't freaking know. What's your channel?
Army Strong Airsoft.
I think I've heard of it.
Really, from who?
I watched some of your B52 videos.
Cool. Well, let's go. I tripped down the stairs today, so. Clear. Let's move up. Come on.
Is he right there?
No, I can't see. Waiting to see if there's anyone in the tower. Go. Friendly coming through, friendly coming through, friendly coming through. Shit. Fuck, friendly coming through.
Hey, good shot.
Hi, Kyle.
Make sure there's someone on this hallway.
There is. There's one over there and there's one over here.
Yeah, someone must go over.
Somebody watch the kid, watch the hallway. Turn around and watch the hallway.
Watch the hallway.
No, the hallway. Kid, hey, G36C.
Yeah, you just like bang bang four guys.
Dead man.
Hi. Wait, I'm dead? I don't think you bang bang me. You said bang. Would that count? I'm just gonna stay.
You shot me in the heart, technically, so.
Shot through the heart. You and me, kid. You and me. Wanna move up? Let's move up down the hallway. Come on. Friendly, come on, move up, move up, move up. I need you. I need you with me now, right now. We're gonna push down the hallway. Let's go. Come on, let's move up. That was smart on that. Fuck, yeah. Yeah, it's way out of the range, so I'm not gonna call it. Screw you, Kyle. Dead man. Dead man! I shouldn't be running this guy. I should be running my freaking pistols. Dead man walking. Dead man.
Yo, who has the thing?
It's up to practically them. Kyle just took it, my cousin. Move. Dead man. Dead man! Dead man! Dead man walking!
I got you guys, I got you.
Thank you.
Came around the corner.
Hey, can you come with me for a second? I'm gonna drop my gun off and just take my Glock. Because I don't want to run an AEG right now. I want to run my Glock. Because the Glock is life. Dude, that kid, not that kid, that guy, he's on my team actually who flanked us and got us. I'm gonna put this back and go grab my Glock and run that. I'm just gonna put this away and grab my Glock, run that. I'm gonna put this back.
Yeah, bang bang.
You bang banged him?
Yeah. But he
How
shot
close
my
was
arm
he?
At the same time.
Really?
Yeah, he turned the corner and we both got each other.
Well, let's just say this, but I'm ready to go again. I like tiny guns. I touched the wall, it's fine. Well, now it's time to take Kyle on. Old staging area. Oh, how I missed you.
It's weird how no one gets pushed back this far.
Yeah, it's weird, because no one's used to it. Move it. Friendly. Watch the left side, the guy on the left. Move in, there's friendly. Friendly coming through, say it. Friendly coming through, friendly coming through, friendly coming through, friendly coming through.
We got a guy in the hallway and we got a guy in the flower. Yeah.
Watch the 6. Make sure no one gets in.
Multiple guys in the flower. And up top.
How do we retake this?
2 guys up top in the tower.
I'm with you, kid. I'm carrying light. Hey, kid, get back to your position. Move it. You got a fucking rifle. Don't put hands, you.
I really run back! I really run back!
Kid, watch your 6. God damn it, kid. Watch your 6. Pay attention. Situational awareness. Hey, kid. Hold this position. Go.
Dude, is my mask slipping?
Not really bad.
Okay.
Hey, the kid's one who just keeps turning around and not listening. He's gonna get us killed.
Yeah, no.
We should push up while we have the advantage. Come on.
Got the advantage. Dude, there's guys in the tower and guys in the flower shop.
We should head this way then.
Yeah, but they might have that. We know they have a line from like right there.
Yep.
But they must have a guy like up there watching the door or something.
Can you watch that angle? That could be really
Yeah.
I have a bad feeling about it. Where did he go? I have a bad feeling about this.
Well, what do I want to watch out for? These guys are running from around their asses.
Yeah, they are. They're making rounds.
There's guys running around their asses.
Yeah, no, that's not one of the guys.
Can you cover this position? You can cover over there. I'll just cover next to you. I'm gonna chair soft now. Cover that way.
Tango down!
Tango down. Hey, Brett, listen to me. Move with me.
Yeah.
Move Move with me.
It's clear down here. Let's go this way.
Go back to your position, kid. Listen.
You want to push up and try and
I do. Yeah. Come with me. Friendly coming through. Friendly coming through. Friendly coming through. Friendly, don't shoot. Friendly. Come with me. Shit. Can you cover me? Move. Take 1 or 2. Hold position. Go. Go! Fucking move! Go! Fucking move. Watch our 6. Watch our 6. Fuck! Bang, 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 bang! Damn, I thought you were gonna point blank me. I got scared. Shit. Kid! Still with me, watch that. Hey, can you swap sides? Swap sides with me. Go. You're done too, Kyle.
You missed.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I'm pretty sure I
You
did.
missed when I passed my sleeve.
But if it still hits your sleeve though, it still
That
counts.
doesn't count.
Yeah, it does. Anything on the body counts.
All right. I got both.
Gun hits. Hey, I'm already dead, okay? I'm already dead, so we just had, yeah. Dead man! Dead man! Dead man! Dead man!
Dead man walking.
Push! Dead man!
Push, man.
Dead man!
Dead man walking.
Isn't it the rule of getting shots? Anything that touches your body, right?
If you feel it, then you're out.
If it hits your sleeve still, right? You're out.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Dude, you tried saying you got me. I didn't even get hit once.
Dead man. I don't know.
I was like, you didn't hit me, but I got the other guys, so.
Dead man. Dude, my gas got unloaded on my